What's up, guys? Soren here. First off, I am so sorry I haven't uploaded in like a long time. So let me just cut to a clip. So guys, next clip there's going to be some better resolution. Sorry that the first couple of clips there's bad resolution, but this is just me snowboarding down a hill with a boogie board. And I'll cut to a time lapse. So the first couple of seconds, you can see me run outside with only a shirt and pants. And I rolled around in the snow. My arms were freezing, my legs were freezing. And I just remember running back inside, like, because the snow was so deep, my feet were freezing. And enjoy the rest of this time lapse. So after I did that time lapse, I went to the school to meet up with a friend, and I just made some videos of me walking home because it was freezing. And in a couple seconds, you'll see me just going inside because it is freezing outside. And here I woke up at like 5 a.m. I opened the door and I saw 30 centimeters of snow. I measured it, and, like, please excuse the pajamas, by the way. And look, I'm walking through it, and it almost goes up to my knees. It goes up to probably, like, half my shins, and I'm gonna cut to a clip of me taking my dog to pee outside. Veda! Veda, it's freezing! Veda, what are you doing? Oh my gosh, can you guys see? Oh, guys, let's go inside. Veda, where are you? Literally, Veda, there you are. It's freezing. Veda. It's freezing. Oh my gosh. Jeez. Oh, now Griffin wants in. Guys, I took him out to pee this morning. And watch Griffin. Oh, Griffin. And a few days later, the snow, like almost all of the snow literally melted. A few days later. And that's it for the video. Please turn on notifications if you're not already. Subscribe and like the video. Peace, dudes.